Okay, ladies, here we go, re-recording. So we're going to be making a parallel line through a point off the line. So here's my line, and here's my point, point P. Okay, to do that, I'm just going to draw a line that passes through point P and passes through our angle. And it's easier if you draw a nice oblique line. Okay, just make sure it's not at right angles. You can make it at right angles, it'll just be harder. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to copy this angle up here. That's all there is to it. So to remember to copy an angle, I'm just going to name this point A and this point B over here, just so when I refer to it, I can say that's A and B. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put my point on A, adjust my compass so it makes a good sized arc. I usually adjust to like 3 or 4 centimeters, and there's my arc. And then I'm going to put my point, let me just name these points. So I have A, B, I'm going to call this C and D. You don't have to do this. You don't have to name all your points. I'm just doing it because I'm going to refer to the points later on. I'm going to put my point on P and make exactly the same arc. So without adjusting your compass, make a similar arc. Okay, then what I want to do is I'm going to come down here to C, put my point on C, adjust it so my pencil goes right through D, like where the arc crossed my my line segment AB, okay, and adjust so I'm not quite there. There we go, okay. Then put your point on, I'm going to call this CD, I'm going to call this point up here E. So I'm putting my point on, the point of my compass on point E, and then making, without adjusting the compass, making the same arc.
Dismiss.
Okay, and there we go. Oh, good, low battery. Dismiss. And then, that's it. That's all there is to it. I've copied that angle. Pardon?
Cancel the circle line with the arcs. It worked.
Okay, and then I'm going to just make a line here. And if you did it right, it should be perfectly parallel. Or pretty darn close. And there we go. These two lines are parallel. And by the way, this symbol is the symbol for parallel. Okay, it looks like 2 little arrowheads. Okay, and that's it. That's how you make a parallel off the line.